What we have here is a Hunter low profile. A late Robbins and Myers Hunter low profile. Probably circa 1985. Uses an isolation ring with a large, massive spinner motor, probably 188 by 25 millimeter. So, yeah, it's a bit of a sleeper. Some say, or a lot of people say, low profiles of the 52-inch size are rather fast. They haven't seen this thing. Not yet. So, anyway, let's start with low. The low speed is relatively average. Not too fast, not too slow, just about right. Let's go to medium. Has a pretty decent medium speed. It's already moving a fairly good amount of air. Now to high. Yeah, high speed's rather insane. It pulls 240 RPMs on high. Which is kind of nuts. The later models do 225. Still pretty fast, but not as fast as this. The blades have about, I believe, a 10.5 degree pitch. So this thing works largely off of speed. But like I said, it does have a 188 by 25 millimeter spinner motor, huge ass motor in this thing, so yeah, it definitely moves air. One of the blades is slightly warped. The blades are solid wood. Finish is antique white, which really is more of a grayish white. Balance, because whatever. There, we shut it off. More accurate. The bearings are good. As far as most people know, this is the oldest version of the low profile. Most think it was introduced around 1985 when fans were still being labeled Robbins and Myers. However, in literature and on boxes is depicted what we believe is an older version of the low profile with C brackets and what I can only assume is a stack motor with a rubber flywheel. Thus far, such a model has not surfaced outside of literature and, like I said, on the fan boxes themselves. So, this is the oldest version most people will probably see. I believe the light kit on it is genuine Hunter, but don't quote me on that. They had the ornate bottom cap. It's visible here. But yeah, there you have it. Old low profile.